In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PowerPoint presentation as a .ptx file. This is an essential skill for anyone using PowerPoint, as .ptx is the standard format that ensures your presentation can be easily opened and edited across different devices and versions of PowerPoint. Whether you're sharing your presentation with colleagues or preparing for a big meeting, saving your work in the right format is crucial. First, let's open the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your computer. You can do this by locating the PowerPoint icon on your desktop, or by searching for it in your list of applications. Once you've opened PowerPoint, you'll need to select the document you want to save. If you have multiple presentations open, make sure you're working on the correct one by checking the file name at the top of the window. Next, navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your document. From this menu, you will select Save As. Choosing Save As allows you to create a new version of your document, which is particularly useful if you need to keep an original file intact. After clicking Save As, you'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the file. You can save it to your Documents folder, desktop, or any other location that suits your organization system. Just browse through your folders and click on the desired location. Following that, you'll see a field labeled Save as Type. Click on this field to reveal a list of different file formats. It's important to select the PowerPoint presentation option here. This ensures that your presentation will be saved in the .ptx format, which is compatible with all recent versions of PowerPoint and allows full functionality when you share or open it later. Once you've selected the .ptx option, you're nearly done. Double-check the file name to ensure it is correct, and then click the Save button to finish. Your presentation is now saved in the .ptx format, ready for sharing or editing at any time. Remember, saving your presentation as a .ptx file is crucial for maintaining its functionality and accessibility. So always check your file type before finalizing your save. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from this tutorial. See you in the next one.